Welcome to G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-34B, the Boiler Blowdown Valve Screw for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Alright, might do something similar to the last one. Instead of doing cylinders, we'll do a profile of it and evolve it. So front, sketch, start with a line. It's going to start here. It's going to go up, across, down, across, angle, down, and across. That's basic. Basic shape. So we've got 3.5 plus 12.5 plus 16. Missed a 6. Oh, no, I didn't. So it's going to be 32. This to this is going to be 10. This one's going to be... Oh, no, not 10, sorry. It's going to be 1.5, that was 3. But it's going to be 5, sorry. I remember I got half the measurements. Going that way. Going this way, it's going to be normal measurements. So this point to this point will be 3.5. That's for the first measurement I got length. This one's going to be 12.5, second measurement I got from the length. And 16. Oh. Ah, yeah, because they were okay. 16, yes. Because that's already there. I'll put that in there, just main reference, so that's cool. So we've got, that's going to be 6. And that's locked everything in place. So that's actually 12. Now, at the end, there's going to be a cube, which I'm doing that because you can't revolve a cube. Not that I know of. Okay, so let's revolve. Got all that around that one. And done. There we go. Yep, that's good. That's good, that's good, that's good. Okay, let's end here. Let's go to normal 2, sketch, square, from the middle. It's going to be smart dimension of 6 by 6. 6. And 6. That's going to pop out by, it's going to be extruded by 6. And done. There we go. That's looking good. Oh, there's no measurement there. That was a wild guess. So I'm going to take that one to be, pull that one out. Let's put that one 4, see what it looks. And done. And rebuild. There we go. Looks better. Okay, yeah, 4 looks good. Yeah, I didn't think it's 6, I thought maybe 5. Okay, now this here is going to have a thread of 12. So let's go to thread. Let's see. 14 was the last one we used. Scroll up. 12 by 1.5. Then we're going to have from that one to that one. Swap it over. Where is it? Extrude thread. And that's the full length. I'm going to try something. Just trim those edges. This one here, if I click on that edge, why does it go? Oh, it stops there for some reason. That's interesting. Oh, hold on. So if I do that edge there, this edge there, Yeah, no, still. That didn't work. Okay, let's swap them around. So that edge there is going to be there, and this edge here is going to be there. And okay, looks smaller for some reason. Okay, I've stuffed something up there. Let me cancel that. Let's go thread again. Missed thread. Yeah, I thought maybe if I had there go across, but it's going that way, so that's fine. Let's go to that one there. Up to selection. That one. It's going to go to extrude. I missed. And trim both ends, and okay. There we go. That works. That works pretty good. Okay, we could do a brush steel. There we go. I think it's brush metal steel or something I think it stands for. I could be wrong on that, so if I am, let me know. That's that part done. So that's part 3-34B, the Boiler Blowdown Valve Screw, done. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Welcome to subscribers. Thank you so much, and thank you everyone for your support. I'll see you next episode. We'll assemble these two pieces together. And remember, thank you very much.